Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Check the cable type and the laptop port so you avoid forcing a plug. Once done, unlock the phone or power on the USB drive and make sure the device is awake. Plug the cable firmly into the laptop port, listening for a click or snug fit. This ensures a reliable data connection rather than just power only. If drivers pop up, allow installation so the system can read files. After the physical connection, look at your device for a USB mode, prompt and choose File Transfer, or the equivalent option so the laptop can see its storage. Next, open File Explorer or Finder and find the device listed. This step creates the pathway for your files. Now select files on either side and drag them to the target folder, or use Copy and Paste. Watch the progress indicator to confirm completion before disconnecting to avoid corruption. To finish, always eject the device via the System Tray or Finder's Eject button and wait for confirmation, because sudden removal risks data loss. If the laptop doesn't detect the device, make sure the cable supports data, not charge only, switch ports, or enable developer USB debugging on phones. These steps address common visibility issues. Finally, if transfers hang or fail, update or reinstall drivers, and restart the computer to reset the USB stack and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.